Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to unbox the case for the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes friends, I did order the bumper case from the Flipkart website. So this is exactly the case which I did order, as you can see, for the price about close to 188 rupees. So which has got pretty good ratings as well. So I thought of ordering from the Flipkart website. As you can see, exactly, you can just type this name in the Flipkart and you can actually get this kind of a bumper case. But let's see, in my testing, will the case remains to be really good or not? That's what I'm going to demonstrate when compared with the default case. So default case is also really pretty good, but if you just want that extra protection, so you can actually buy this kind of bumper case. First, let me need to do the unboxing right now of this case and start using. And let's check out the weight of the phone. So that's another factor which will definitely play a lot of key important role in terms of the weight. So did it increase any kind of weight or not for the phone? And that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Let's try to keep it aside, all the warranty papers and everything. And we got there's a big box, and underneath there's another box, small box, and there's no tape for this one. Let me do the unboxing of this one. As you can see, this is exactly bumper case which I did get right now for the Realme GT Neo 2, which clearly mentioned as well. That's kind of a good thing. Let's do the unboxing. And this is a small paper, so let me remove everything. So final friends, is a case which is a bumper case, and right now let me need to remove this protective film which is present here. As you can see, this is the overall case. This is how it looks, and overall it looks kind of really good. And before I did upload the video as well without removing this kind of protective layer, so I thought of it got any kind of scratches, but it's not the case. But it's pretty good, pretty clear as well. Not bad. As you can see, it's nothing much damaged. Overall it looks pretty clean, apart from this one small, yep, it also went. And all friends, this is a quick review on the camera bump case, phone bump case on the Realme GT Neo 2. And you can actually see this is how it looks phone, which looks really good, right? Wow, fantastic. So you can check out in the Flipkart website friends, it's available. Just type Realme GT Neo 2 camera bump case and you will be able to find this kind of link. Let me need to check the weight of this complete phone. Weight of the phone is about close to 231 grams. And the case is only, the weight is about close to 26 grams. This is the weight about the case. So the friends, thank you for watching. This is a complete Realme GT Neo 2 bumper case, and this is how it is. And definitely the screen doesn't touch the surface if you try to keep in the reverse manner, so no need to worry about those, because the corners and everything is slightly higher than the phone screen. So it's kind of really solid and very good built as well. In case if you want to save some kind of like accidental drops, you can definitely have this kind of bumper case for the safe side. And that's it friends, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, until then, stay tuned. Bye.